Hey guys, I'm Shalini and today I'm going to show you two French braid hairstyles. From classy affairs to weddings to relaxed days around town, French braids practically suit any outfit. So if you want to see two unique French braid hairstyles, please keep on watching. And in case you guys are new to the BeBeautiful platform, do not forget to hit that subscribe button right now. For this side French braid, take a side parting and take all your hair on one side. Take a 2-inch section and split that into 3 equal halves. And do a regular 3-strand braid. Now add a section from the front into the braid and braid normally. And then add a section from the right into the middle and braid normally. Do it till you reach the back. And loosen the braid just a bit. And you're done. Take a section out from the arch of the eyebrows. Use a long clip to pin down so that it doesn't come into the main section, and do the same thing on the other side. Take a section out from the front. Divide that into 3 equal halves and do a regular braid. Now add a section from the right into the middle section and braid normally. Then take a section on the left, add it to the middle section and braid. Do this about 4 to 5 times and then take the hair into a ponytail. Loosen the braids just a bit. You can also use a metallic string and wrap it around the ponytail to give it some volume, and you're done. So guys, I hope you all like these hairstyles. Do try them out. Like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!